team, are you more ready? 3, 2, 1. Go! Protection on, get your eye protection on, good job. He just runs away, he just abandoned you.
Okay.
Hit! Keep your eye protection on, keep your eye protection on. Keep your eye protection on, good job. Good hit, good hit. Go, go, go! Oh, come out! Doing a dart sweep, but no, it's a really interesting phenomenon. All of the darts are lining up the same way because of the wind. That's science. What's in the stock? I've just been given this to have a little bit of fun with. Thanks very much, Psycho, for this. Do I need to put eye protection on? Because you guys were about to shoot me. Now this, obviously, almost entirely 3D printed apart from this piece of PVC right here. Looks absolutely phenomenal. I don't know what kind of darts in there. Look at that. Did you see that? The way that ejects. I've got no idea what's in there right now, so let's just fire it and dazzle. I just dry fired it, which is bad news, so I need to work out now how to... He's going to kill me if I injure this. Right, I'm going to... How do I even load this?
I think it goes to the bottom.
Into the bottom. I'm making a right donkey of myself. There we go, there we go. Just like all the others. What you've got to do is shake the camera. There we go, there we go. So there's now something in there. It's not feeding, so I'm going to go and ask Si what I'm doing wrong. Jump cut! I didn't get any help at all. Oh, there we go. This is actually really satisfying to use. I'm trying to deliberately fire it inside of his head because I feel really bad about it.
Hit you twice, actually.
Absolutely phenomenal.
Oh, the footage of it coming out the side. Brilliant.
That is brilliant. Wow. I'm impressed. I am now going to go and reload all these shells to say thank you for letting me use this. It's an absolutely phenomenal piece of kit. 3D printed. Look, it even says Simon on it, for goodness sake. Simon says Mega Darts!
And the ears, don't forget the ears.
And the ears as well. Look at those ears, aren't they lovely? Little ears. And look at this too. Those holes.
But the FDL has to match it. You know, the FDL has to match it, but the FDL gets whiskers and eyes.
And the FDL, look at that, isn't that phenomenal? Absolutely
FDL
superb.
Mew.
Mew.